What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to remove an Instagram account from your account list. Now let's say that you have more than an account on your mobile phone and you want to remove one of them. You can do this by simply opening your application on your phone, and here as you can see you can click on the top bottom corner right here. And now what you should do is to click on the top left corner on your name, and here you will find that you have many accounts on your account list. And now what you should do right now is to simply select the account that you want to remove from the account list. So let's say that this one is actually the one that I'm going to delete. And now what you should do is to simply click on the top right corner. Here you have these three lines, so I'm gonna tap on it. So now scroll down till you find logout option right here. Then what you should do is to simply click on logout, and here as you can see it's logging out, and now it will show you actually the account or any accounts that you have in the account list. Now you have to click on these three dots right here and click remove profiles from this device, then click on remove, then click on remove again, and now by this way you have removed the account from the account list. And that's all for today guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.